Hi everyone, welcome back. Plan, classic Abby planner, same layout for the next week. And it's gonna be kind of similar to the other one this week because I printed these colors and I really want to use the like fall flowers that are in the flower sticker book. Last time I used florals too, but that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I wanted to use the flower sticker book, but I didn't have any more of those flowers. I guess I already used them all. So instead I used handwritten plans for these like little words, and then just Flower Power like mega sticker book for like these stickers. Again, very simple, easy, probably fast. Video, so hopefully you like it. If you do, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.